Alright guys, welcome back. Today we continue the Scania build, and again you see that my workstation is a bit empty. That is because I've went away and basically painted some of these parts. I'm just gonna bring them into frame, and I'll tell you why I'm doing this in a bit. So basically I'm at a point where I'm supposed to install these fenders, these guys here, and I was thinking because of the color and the paint scheme that I want to paint my truck in, it will be white, and I want these fender bits to be white as well, so I need to paint them. So I was thinking, since I am going to paint these parts, I might as well bring up all the parts that I need to paint as well, right? And just do it together. So I have basically painted all the bits. Well, this is the first round at least. So this is I did a round of primer and a round of base color. So it's gonna be a white truck with some decals on it. And yep, so two colors. This centerpiece is initially gray in color, and it has to be painted black because this is going to be the front bit of the truck, so it's going to be black in color. Yep, it's going to be black. Not sure if I should paint these bits here black as well. I'm worried that the white color might show through at the end of the day. I know there's going to be some metal edge parts inside, but yeah, I'm worried that there's going to be white shining through it, so I don't know. So I'm at a point where some of this is going to be put in place. I've painted all of this so that I can detail it a little bit more, put the decals on. And again, you notice that a lot of these parts are still on the sprue, which is not the right way to paint it. I don't really mind for the white parts. If I cut it out, then you wouldn't see it, maybe, right? For the most part, you wouldn't see the cut bits because it's white in color anyway. I might have to cut them off and touch it up a little bit more, but these bits here will definitely show up, and I am lazy, right? And this is definitely going to show up. So these bits basically connect like this, right? And I'm hoping that the bits that are connected will be inside of the truck, and I'm pretty sure that's going to show, especially for these top bits, right? Because they are going to be sitting on top, and I'm pretty sure that these bits are going to be visible. I need to cut them off the sprue and respray them, and that is me being lazy, right? So this is a definitely downside. So I have to respray these guys, and I hope it turned out well. So far so good, kind of liking it. These guys I need to redo. This piece was initially gray, but I spray painted it white, and this piece is basically going to go up here, so it needs to be white. Everything else is white. So these bits as well, this is black in color, and I spray painted it white. Very nice, kind of like it. Again, it might have the issue with the black tips, but I don't think this is going to be so visible because it's facing downwards. These guys will be visible. And other than that, all these white bits, I think it's fine. I'll just leave it on on the sprue and cut it up later. Again, this is just me being lazy and not doing it correctly. Yep, I'm liking how it turned out. The white color doesn't really stand out from the original plastic, but we'll see how it goes, right? I'm going to put a clear coat on top with some metallic flakes, and hopefully the metallic flakes, you know, give a different look to the body shell once it comes up. Okay, so this is so much for the painting. I'm still going to mask this bit. The top bits here is going to be black in color so that it's seamless from the side to the front. It's going to be black. Everything else is going to be white. There will be some decals on the side. So I might be doing the body, the detailing of the body while assembling as well. During the intervals, I will just switch between the two. I want to do all the panel lining, I want to do all the decaling, and it's going to be another clear coat on top. So this is going to take place off camera. All this painting will take place off camera. We'll see how it goes. Okay, let's continue with the build.